We would like to invite in front Attorney Santiago Ortega, President, University of St. Anthony and Company. Next entry, our last entry, Category 2, entry number 26, University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Corps Commander of the Staff, Cadet Colonel Mary Grace Blanco, Corps Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Romeo Rene Malco, Corps XO. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sheila May Maestrado, Corps G1. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mary Carincel Albia, Corps G2. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Walter Abunal Jr., Corps G4. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Vienna K. Lagdaan, Corps G5. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ilia Raine Amoroso, Corps G6. Major Leader Miss Christine Josephine B. Pili. Band Leader Mr. Maynard Winslet Perez, Alpha Company Commander. Cadet Captain Raymark Samarita, Alpha Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Joel Jr. Casili. First Platoon Leader Cadet First Lieutenant Ken Alejo Bernales. Second Platoon Leader Cadet First Lieutenant John Michael Angelo Iscoro. Bravo Company Commander Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Edel Queen Pogoa. Bravo Company XO Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Clarence Jean Aragon. First Platoon Leader Cadet Major Ivy Nikki Samantela. Second Platoon Leader Cadet Captain Aisa Tanyada. MAPE Troop Commander Kevin Aborde, Troop Commander. Enrico Albia S3. Aprilin Cosinas S1. Dalian Paraiso S2. Jamil Jan Orjales S4. Company Commander Cecilio Dilarama 4. MAPI Company XO Andre Giet Villanueva. Platoon Leader Kylie Arvil Obrero. Platoon Leader Girls Salve May Periabras. School Head Attorney Santiago Ortega Jr. Principal Mrs. Ramilita Prajenal. CAT Commandant Mr. Jonathan Huerno. Band Director Mr. Manuel Perez. Major Trainer Mr. Jade Albert I. Saison. Mga tugang, last entry, entry number 26, CAT Category 2 with MAPE, University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Entry number 26. Yan po ang satuyang last entry sa Category 2. We will come now to Category 3. May Category 4 pa po kita. Entry number 1, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander Staff Cadet Colonel Maria